Java library RandomAccessFile is an older Java I/O class which supports both reading and writing to what we call a random access file, and later it got rewritten using the file channel object internally. Such file is always considered to be a binary file, and when using this class, the data is simply an array of bytes representing the file contents. The object of RandomAccessFile class always maintains an index into this array of bytes, and it's called the file pointer. Input operations are reading a certain number of bytes beginning at the file pointer, and after each read, the file pointer advances past the last byte that was read. If the random access file is created or opened in read-write mode, then output operations are also available. Output operations write bytes starting at the file pointer and advance the file pointer past the last byte that was written. Output operations, which are writing at the end of the file, append new bytes at the end of the file. getFilePointer method returns the current position of the file pointer, and the seek method sets the file pointer at the new desired position. In this very short random access file writing example, we have two arrays named codes and prices, an array of strings and doubles respectively, and we create a loop and write three records that contain codes and prices. Each record is a pair of 4 characters of the code, like this, followed by 8 bytes of each double value in the prices array. Each code price pair is written by write characters and write double methods. And notice that we keep each code strictly 4 characters long. We definitely want to maintain file in a predictable record format. 16 bytes altogether, 8 bytes of each code and 8 bytes of each price. All processing that we do here is binary output mode, and the random access file is open for reading and writing for writing mode operations. And this is a demo to read the file that we just created. This time we open a random access file for reading. We move the file pointer to a specific record. In this case, we calculate it as record number 3. And so we attempt to read the third record from our file in such manner that we load one character at a time and then concatenate it with the string variable representing the code. Once we're done with the code, we call readDouble to load the price variable. On this last file processing Java example, I asked the last time, is this a plain text, binary, or random access mode of operation? Of course, this is a random access file example, and therefore, by definition, it is a binary mode processing. And why do we need to see this? This is to demonstrate how we can read and write strings of fixed length in a binary file, and also pad shorter strings with zeros to maintain a constant desired size of every record. So this is all organized into a set of 2 methods, write fixed string and read fixed string. Both methods take parameters of the string to write into the file, the length of the record, and also using the data output and data input interfaces, both of which are implemented by the random access file class.